Start your day with clarity. Know who's on the floor right from the first shift. Managing multiple teams, shifts, and machines can get complicated. Traditional tracking slows productivity and leaves gaps in your data. Fareclock makes attendance simple, accurate, and fully digital. Quick, secure clock-ins ensure the right person is rewarded every time. Get instant updates when schedules change or attention is needed. Stay in control without micromanaging. Simplify payroll, reduce errors, and stay compliant without extra effort. Fareclock, accurate time tracking that keeps your factory running at its best.